Hey everyone, Real Estate Ryan here with my newest listing, and today we're at 377 McCarrel Lake Road on stunning Cloudy Lake. This isn't just any waterfront listing. This home has had an extensive overhaul with open concept living, a dream kitchen, a master suite you'll never want to leave, a brand new ensuite bath, and waterfront views from every room. Outside, you've got a detached heated garage, fully updated bunkie for guests, a barrel sauna, beautiful sand beach, and a dock ready for all your toys. And the best part? You can boat, fish, and explore 3 connected spring-fed lakes year-round, all from your own backyard. Let's take a closer look. You're gonna love it.